Hey guys, Angela Hyder here. Hey, so I wanted to, I know you guys know, if you've been following me for a while, you know what Color Street is. 100% nail polish strips. I just became a stylist and I got my box in and I wanted to share what's inside. So this is what you get in the mail, black box. And it has all kinds of goodies. So it's like $250 worth of products for $129. And it's all kinds of stuff. So they give you all these nail strips to start you off with, which is pretty cool. Like a ton of them. These are for your toes. All kinds of nail strips. French tip, glitters, solids, everything. Petite, aren't they so cute? And then and this is just to get you started, and it's so much stuff. They give you these little twosies, is what they call. They're two finger testers, accent nails, and they all have all different colors. That's one of my favorite ones. And they give you, and then there's more. It just never ends. Look. More solids. Those were glitters and these are solids. Look at that. That's my favorite. And that one. And it keeps going on and on. They give you these two Color Street nail files that are in its own case. Pretty cool. They give you these two buffers. Well, it's 4-in-1. Shine Polish Buff File. I love these. These are so handy. And then you open up the box and there's more inside. So underneath, there's even more to look at, to get. So they give you a welcome letter, which is pretty cool. That's Fall Park, the owner, and these are all the other people that work with him. They give you a little instruction piece of paper that talks about how to put on the strips, what to do, what not to do. Pretty easy. Gives you everything you need. They give you a bag to put all your stuff in. Isn't that cute? I love it. Then they give you a booklet that talks about the compensation plan, how to make money doing the business, the story behind it. There's a success tracker, objectives. I'm not going to go into all of that, but there's a lot of great information here too. And then they give you some small sample nail files to pass out too, with the cuticle pusher sticks. They give you 2 of these, which is good because you're gonna want to give samples to people, which is why they give you the 2 little finger tester for samples. They give you these little pamphlets to pass out with information about the business. They give you the catalog, a bunch of catalogs, a bunch of books too that have information inside. This is the catalog that has like all the different nail strips at the time right now, all the different styles and everything. They also give you prep pads, nail prep pads. That's what comes in each one of your nail strips, but these are for the twosies so that you can pass them out with the samples. They give you everything that you need. It's pretty cool, pretty awesome. And then nail polish remover pads. They give you 2 of these nail polish remover pads. And that's it. They give you so much stuff. You make your money, and that's about it. I just wanted to show you everything that came inside of it. I'm super excited. I love all the different nails that they have in here, and I just wanted to share this with you in case you wanna, if you like buying these nails, either you buy them already or you wanna buy more or do it as a business or a hobby, whatever. If you like these nails, let me know. You should totally get the box. It's worth it. Even if you just buy them because you want some nails, it's such a great deal. I think you get a lot out of it. I'll leave the link below, and where you can sign up if you want to get this box and you want to become a stylist too. Join us. It's so much fun. Bye.